Welcome, beautiful people. It's your TTA Pro, Mr. O, with Digital SAT episode. So, in domain number 1, the author makes a claim. It's what the author believes. And to support that claim, the author must give you evidence. The author must give you evidence. For example, the author can say oranges are healthy, right? This is a claim. So then the author will tell you a reason or evidence. It's full of vitamin C. This is evidence to support the claim. On the digital SAT, you will have questions that will ask you which answer supports the claim. That's important. You'll have questions like this. They'll give you the text. The text will have a claim, and the question will ask you, if this is true, which answer supports the claim? Let's see a question. Let's see an example, right? Let's see an example. Right here. So here it is, a very typical digital SAT question. You have the text, question, answers, right? When you read the text, do not skim. Do not skim. When you read the text, do not skim. Take your time and read. Make sure you read it. This is the biggest, most helpful piece of advice I give students. Make sure you read the text. Let's go to Umar.
Yes, sir.
Read for me.
Okay. The back of the dinosaur Spinosaurus aegyptics featured
Stop.
a
1 second. 1 second. On the test, when you see strange or difficult words, don't stop to read it. Just read the first letter, like the Spinosaurus S, Aegypticus A. That's how I'd read it. So that way you don't lose time. Okay? So it featured a sail-like structure. Continue.
Yeah, the sail made the dinosaur more successful at pursuing prey that could quickly move out of the way. Robert Slay, Jan Jimsa, and Ulrich Jimsa believed this led to improved underwater hunting success. A second team of researchers purchased two mechanical model dinosaurs. One had a sail, one did not. These researchers tested the models in a tank filled with water.
Okay. This is the text. We read the text. The next step, we go to the question. Mrs. Sama, read the question for me. Sama?
Sorry, I thought the mic was on.
No problem.
Which finding from the model tests, if true, would most strongly support Gimsa and colleagues' hypothesis?
Hypothesis. Stop. Sama, we read the question. We read the text. We read the question. Correct?
Yes.
What would be the first thing you would do to answer the question?
Read the choices.
No. Definitely not. Can you try again?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Noor.
Yes.
What would be the first thing you would do to answer this question?
Identify the hypothesis.
Identify the hypothesis. Thank you, Mr. Noor. We need support for the hypothesis. But the first thing we're going to do is identify the hypothesis. When you identify the hypothesis, make sure you create a mental summary. We read it and we say, they believe kaza. So let me go to Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
What's the hypothesis?
Wait.
Take your time. The rest of you, ابعتوا لي في الchat, co-host. Send in the chat what you think the hypothesis
It's a
is.
hunting. It's a underwater hunting success.
Give me the full hypothesis.
A second team of research purchased 2 mechanical modern dinosaurs.
Mr. Muhammad,
Yes.
I know how to read. I know how to read. I want you to tell me in your own words,
Yes.
what is the hypothesis? We can begin with which line numbers? I gave you line numbers here. What line numbers would we find the hypothesis?
Number 5.
Number 5, no. That's why I'm
5.
asking you. See? What line numbers? A hypothesis is what they believe, Ya Umar. What do they believe? Okay. Let's go to Noor.
Yes.
What's the hypothesis?
The hypothesis is that they believe the sail improved the underwater hunting skill or
The
success.
sail made it
Improved,
successful.
I perceive, improved the underwater hunting success. Line 3,
Good.
underwater
Excellent.
hunting success.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay. This is what we do now. They believe that the sail improved underwater hunting, correct? So now we know the hypothesis, correct, Mr. Noor?
Yes.
When we look at the answer choices, what are we looking for?
Something that supports it, something that help us to like that have a proof for it.
That has proof that the sail improved
The hunting
hunting.
success.
Good, good, good. Hunting success. The sail improved hunting success. When we look at the answers, we use elimination. We eliminate anything not related to our hypothesis. Okay, Noor, I'm gonna continue with you. Answer A, read it for me.
Me?
Yeah, Noor.
The model with the sail took significantly longer to travel a specified distance while submerged than the total model without a sail did.
Does that support the hypothesis?
No,
No. Why?
because it said that the model with the sail took longer than the one without. And you are trying to say that the one with the sail is better, like it has a shortcut, it's faster.
Very good job, Mr. Muhammad. Let's go to answer B.
Yes, sir.
Read it for
The
me.
motor was a sail displaced significantly more water while submerged than the motor without a sail tip.
What do you think about answer B, Mr. Muhammad?
I think it's not the answer.
Why?
Wait.
Any idea why?
I don't know how to explain.
It's important we learn how to explain, even in Arabic. It's really important, this point, ya Muhammad. And it takes time. مش تعملها من يوم واحد. It takes time to learn how to do it. Answer B is incorrect because assassin is off topic. We're talking about the sail and hunting. Why are we talking about displaced water? Displaced water means moving water. No good. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Answer C. Whose turn is it? Omar, read it for me.
The model with a sail had significantly less battery power remaining after completing the tests than the model without a sail did.
Is this related to our hypothesis?
No?
You're telling me no question mark, correct?
Yeah, because... Oh,
No,
wait,
are you sure? Or no, you're not sure?
No, I'm not sure. One second. I think
If you're not sure,
it could be
it's
related.
okay to put a squiggly.
Yeah.
It's fine. Because most of the time, we'll be left with two answers. The first time we check, and then the second time we check. It's okay.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Mrs. Sama,
Yes.
read answer D.
The model with sail took significantly less time to complete a sharp turn while submerged than the model without a sail did.
What do you think of answer D?
It took less time to complete a sharp turn, so it could be related.
It could be. The next step, if you're left with answer D, look at answer D. I want everybody to look. Let's say answer C is wrong. Tamam? Let's say answer C is wrong. So you're left with answer D. Does that make answer D automatically correct, Mr. Noor? Does this make answer D automatically correct?
Yes.
No. Right?
No.
Please. All because we said A, B, C are wrong and we're left with answer D does not make answer D the answer. Make sure you find support. You're going to tell me time. With practice, we get better. If we're left with answer D, Mr. Noor, can you give me support about the sail taking less time to complete a sharp turn? And how does this support the hypothesis?
Okay.
ابعتوا لي إجابة في
ABC.
الchat. Go ahead.
Okay. ABC, they all gave disadvantages, while D
Yeah.
gave an advantage.
Yeah.
So you are looking for something that supports the belief or the claim.
We need support from the text, Mr. Noor.
Yes.
What support do we have from the text that shows us sharp turns help it hunt? Sharp turns make it successful hunting.
Okay.
1 second.
In line 2, they said that are pursuing prey that could quickly move out of the way.
Beautiful.
Meaning that the prey is fast. So having something that makes you turn sharply or fast will help you.
Bravo, Mr. Noor. Omar has a question. Go ahead.
Yeah, sir. I think the question. No need to ask the question, but I will still ask it.
Okay.
Like also, the option C said that the model with a cell had significantly less battery power remaining.
Okay.
That's not advantage. This is disadvantage,
This is
right?
disadvantage. Yeah,
Yeah,
it'll be eliminated. I think you were stuck on this, right?
yeah.
Good. The big part. So, a big part. Noor, do you speak Arabic?
ايوه بتكلم عربي عادي.
Oh, okay. I think you live in Nigeria, huh?
بالظبط.
Cool, cool, cool. It's beautiful now there. I should be going there for summer for vacation. I still don't know yet. Anyway. بصوا, when you're working, مهم جدا. Number one, you identify the correct parts of the text. Number two, you identify the evidence for your answer. All because we have 3 wrong and 1 correct does not make the one answer the answer. Find support. Find support. Let's go to another question. Another question. Let's go to question number 2. Also, on the digital SAT, with evidence questions, you'll have claim support, just like the previous question. Because the previous question was asking us about evidence to support a hypothesis. For science, in fiction, it's different. The exam will give you a claim about a character, and then you find textual support about that character. For example, the claim. Dr. Jekyll was a monster. This is a claim. Support. A, B, C, D. You'll find, for example, answer C, a quote from the book, Jekyll slaughtered all of the children. Pretty gruesome. Sorry about that, right? So it's important when you're working with fiction, you'll have a claim about the character, and in the support, textual support. Okay, let's see an example. Let's go to Mr. Whose turn is it? Let's begin, Muhammad.
Yes.
Read the text for me.
Okay. Paul Lawrence Dunbar wrote the story Mr. Cornelius Johnson of a sticker in 1900. So another success that Mr. Cornelius Johnson felt significant through his appearance due to his puffed up ego.
Simple claim, not like the last one. Okay, simple claim. Read the question, Muhammad.
Which quotation from Mr. Cornelius Johnson office sticker most effectively illustrates the claim?
Okay, so what's the claim?
He got a big ego.
Tell me. Read it for me.
Okay. It begins at the another success that Mr. Cornelius Johnson felt significant through his appearance due to his puffed up ego.
This is really important. He felt significant through his appearance due to his puffed up ego. When we're looking at the answers, we're looking at an answer that shows us this claim. Let's begin with Umar. Read answer A, Umar.
He carried himself always as if he were passing under his own triumphal arch. I think
Does
it's not
this
related.
support the claim?
No, not at all.
Why?
Because he said he carried himself always as if he were passing under his own.
What does that mean?
Like I mean, like,
Let's go back to the claim.
okay.
What does this claim tell us? Tell me in your own words. Targimheli, whatever. Tell me in your own words. What does this claim mean?
Like I can say that he felt, for example, more confidence in his appearance due to his ego. Yeah, he has an ego, so he felt more confidence
Good.
in his. Yeah. So
And this confidence, it shows in his appearance.
yeah, no,
Right?
yeah.
You tell me answer is incorrect. Correct?
Yeah, I think A isn't correct. Yeah.
Why?
Because it's not related at all.
You're
It's
being
not
vague. What's not related?
that what I think that sir, A is saying that he carried himself always as if he were passing under his own what is his own
Triumphal arc.
what is that? Yeah, what is that?
What is a triumphal arc?
I don't
It
know.
means as if someone is always victorious. It comes from the word triumph.
What is victorious?
Vocab, right? Someone who is always winning. That's the simplest way. But triumph is a stronger word. When you triumph over something, that means you've defeated something big or major, some big obstacle that stopped you from being able to reach your goals. Right? So you tell me answer A is wrong, correct? It's okay.
Okay, yeah, it's okay.
Okay, let's go to Sama. Answer B.
Yes. The grey Prince Albert was scrupulously buttoned about his form, and shiny top hat replaced the felt of afternoon.
What do you think?
No, it's not correct.
Why?
It's not related. Like he's talking about the grey Prince Albert. That what was he wearing?
His clothes. Okay.
Yeah.
Does it show us he feels significant, important, big?
No,
No. Big
I
up.
think it's A.
You think it's A?
Yeah.
Why?
Because when he was saying that he carried himself always, and then also like he's victorious, that talks about his ego.
Oh, okay. Okay. Very good job, Mrs. Sama. What do you think, Mr. Noor?
I kind of object. I don't think it's A. I think it's D, because they talked about his appearance, about the way he dresses. And A really thinks like it talks about the character, not the way
What is
someone
the
dresses.
claim? Is the claim asking you about how is he dressed?
About how he appears to be, like his appearance.
You're only focused on one word. What does the appearance show us?
His ego, his puffed up ego.
That he's felt, that he feels significant, and his ego. Does answer D show us Cornelius feeling significant? Or does it show us his puffed up ego?
No.
No. It just shows us his appearance only, not significance or puffed up ego. Muhammad, what do you think?
I think it's A.
I think it's A as well, Mr. Umar. Right? Because you're Umar. Oh, what about C? Read it for me, Umar.
Yes, sir. I read it. I think it could be also Because he said
Okay.
here that he spoke in a large and important tone, means
Yeah.
that he felt significant.
Okay. So why is C wrong?
Why?
You can't see it, huh?
Wait. Because he said that he spoke in
Yeah.
a large. Oh, okay.
And we're talking about appearance, not speaking. You
Yeah.
see how you got trapped? It's a
Yes.
trap. They tell
Yeah.
you, oh, significant. So this is the word. But then again, I need it all. Or like Noor, right? Appearance, clothes. No, I need it all. The answer is A, because he carried himself as if he's in a triumphal arc, as if he defeated something. His chest is up and it shows us his ego. Beautiful people. Let me see. Oh, wait. If you're watching the video, thanks for watching. You can learn anything. Mr. Sema, out.